Hello everyone, welcome back to Whirlwind Radio. This is Marcelo Sagdeo. Google is getting closer to making its assistants sound more human. But can they get to the point where AI can react to us on an emotional level? Also, what if every company is like Amazon, where they can fulfill customers' orders within 2 days? Google's updated virtual assistant can now make phone calls on your behalf to schedule appointments and make reservations.
Say what?
The robotic assistant uses a very natural speech pattern that includes hesitations like or so that it sounds more like an actual human being making the call. I would like to play a clip for you of a female computer-generated voice calling to arrange a haircut for a client on May the 3rd.
So how can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client.
I'm looking for something on May 3rd. Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around?
At 12 p.m.
We do not have a 12 p.m. available. The closest we have to that is a 1:15.
Do you have anything between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.?
Depending on what service she would like. What service is she looking for?
Just a woman's haircut for now.
Okay, we have a 10 o'clock.
10 a.m. is fine.
Okay, what's her first name?
The first name is Lisa.
Okay, perfect. So I will see Lisa at 10 o'clock on May 3rd.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Great. Have a great day. Bye.
Wasn't that pretty cool? That clip shows how far we have come since the days when personal assistants were first introduced. I find it quite fascinating to see how AI reacts during the conversation. Like when the employee asks, "What time are you looking for?" And the reply from the robot was, at 12 p.m. And of course, that time slot was not available. Then the robot suggested a window between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. and then went on to confirm that booking. So that was a little straightforward call. Now, when calls don't go as expected, how would the robot react? In this next clip that I'll play, you will hear a male-sounding virtual assistant trying to reserve a table at a restaurant. But it is told that he doesn't need to be booking if there are only 4 people who will be in that party. The conversation is a little confusing, but the robot was able to go through the call with ease.
See how may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to reserve a table for Wednesday the 7th.
For 7 people?
It's for 4 people.
4 people? When? Today?
Next Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Oh, actually, we reserve for upper 5 people. For 4 people, you can come.
How long is the wait usually to be seated?
For when, tomorrow or weekday or?
For next Wednesday, the 7th.
Oh no, it's not too busy. You can come for 4 people, okay?
Oh, I gotcha. Thanks.
Yep. Bye-bye.
So in both clips, we can see that it was difficult to identify that this was a robot making the call instead of a human being. We are entering an age when conversations with computers are reaching a whole new level. Better quality and better reliability. But there is still lots of room for improvement. As we've heard in the 2 clips I've played, the technology is getting better. Yet, I still believe that AI's capability to interact with humans on a deeper level has a long way to go. For example, in having a normal conversation with an AI, and to have that AI recognize the mood of the other person is not here yet. We do have a chatbot experience that is rapidly changing, and I'm sure that a total AI-powered voice experience is not that far behind. But before I end the story, I must comment on what has been brewing about this form from a legal perspective. In the clips that I've played, the virtual assistant did not identify itself and instead appeared to deceive the human at the end of the line. Is it fair or even legal to trick people into talking to an AI system? Think about the consequences and the bad uses of this technology. It can be used in spamming businesses, scamming seniors, or even making malicious calls using the voices of politicians and others. You can even eventually end up with a situation where people are reported as saying something that they never did. Of course, this is all in the experimental stage. And Google says that it is looking to provide a good service that is transparent. They are looking for the right approach with this and are planning to have the technology identify itself when used in order for the other person on the call to realize that they're talking to a robot. So that's good. I would feel more comfortable knowing that I'm speaking to a robot instead of being deceived by a robot to make me feel as if I'm talking with a human being. So when will we have this new feature available? Well, it will be out later this year, and it is enabled by a technology called Google Duplex. What would it be like if every company is like Amazon, where they can fulfill customer orders within 2 days? Wouldn't that be awesome? You can order anything online, and within 48 hours, the item is waiting for you at home. Businesses around the world, with the exception of Amazon, are facing pressure to deliver on time and in full, but don't have the necessary tools to execute contracts, taking payments efficiently, and tracking deliveries, and also ensuring that the goods arrive when they should. And because of this, companies through their supply chain lose billions of dollars of lost revenue as a result of late, lost, or inefficient deliveries. Now, there's a platform that is called Movement Ecosystem, and that's Mova, where people can go and utilize performance tools and pull monthly management reports, where they can see everything that moves and what the real performance was. They can pinpoint and track where the faults were, whether it's the result of an employee's doing or something back at the warehouse. The main role of this performance tool is to provide benefit to both parties. And the reasoning here is that if Amazon can do it, then we can do it as well. As you know, Amazon has taken the market by storm. Today, Amazon contributes almost 5 to 10% of UPS revenue. With such a huge network, the company has recently entered into the transportation and delivery markets, and also acknowledging that companies need to bridge the gap among customers' orders, performance, and delivery time. With its decision as well to have its second headquarters in Austin, Texas, Amazon is again taking the market by storm, leading the space and expanding its supply chain. The founder of Mova believes that the rest of the industry can do the same thing Amazon is doing, and he wants to be the first to help companies do so. He believes that the solution lies with smart contracts and utilizing a single blockchain for the entire industry. Now, the importance of using smart contracts is that everyone knows what they're signing up for ahead of the time. He plans to do this by utilizing GPS technology and building into it a smart contract. And this allows suppliers to enter what information they need to, identifying what goods need to be moved and when. So this is not any new technology in the sense. It's GPS technology that is being used for this. Now, by using blockchain as well to link producers and shipping providers with automated contracts, this allows for goods to be tracked in real time with GPS technology. For other suppliers and consumers, payments are made immediately with built-in incentive mechanisms for both suppliers and distributors. Having the ability to set predefined shipping terms, customer information, order information, it creates a database that a company can continue to use and then modify and to build off as the business continues to grow and the consumer base continues to expand with it. By implementing GPS and performance tool and then linking up a huge amount of suppliers, customers, and primary actors into the system, together, this model will help solve the issue with fast delivery on time. As you know, with buying any item online after receiving the tracking details, you can see your item sitting in a warehouse somewhere, waiting to be picked up. This system will improve on that and try to make every truck more efficient or efficiently used. If a truck is going to, for example, Chicago, and is half full, through this system with the data being shared, other vendors can utilize that very truck, so which could stop along the way and pick up more items, making better use of the truck and avoiding the time that was spent in the warehouse for that item. Through the system as well with blockchain, you can see how by keeping all the vendors and customers together in the same system, how this will make it easier to move items from one place to the next in less time. And in so doing, will match Amazon's free 2-day shipping for its Prime members. I personally look forward to the day when I can shop anywhere online at any store and get my items in less than 2 days. If you're an accomplished guitarist or just trying to learn playing the guitar like me, then you will be excited to know that Riffstation is offering its desktop app for Mac and Windows for free. This app normally costs $35, but now it's for free. Apparently, Riffstation will no longer be able to offer the web or mobile version of this app, but they are hoping to bring a similar service back in the future. But in the meantime, they are offering a free copy of Riffstation Pro desktop app. And this is for normally $34.99. But now, as I said, it's for free. This is a desktop app for Mac and PC computers, and it will not run on iOS and Android devices. So I just want to make that clear. Also, it works with audio files stored on your computer as opposed to using YouTube videos. So what I did, I downloaded this app and I added Faithfully by Journey onto it. And within a few seconds, it populates with the chords, like within less than 5 seconds. And what I like about this app as well is that you can slow the music down or speed it up. You can change the pitch or even select a portion of the track. So all of that to help you with playing the guitar or playing that song. It also has a cool feature of isolating instruments so that you can hear certain instruments only. So if you just want to focus on the guitar or the drums or the piano, you can do so. Also, what is really cool is that you can view the chords shape or the shapes so that you can play along by looking at the chords there on your computer in case you can't recall them like me. Well, Fender, which acquired the Irish startup company that made Riffstation back in 2015, didn't specify why its web-based service for learning songs was removed. Some are saying that it's likely got something to do with music licensing issues. But in the meantime, if you would like to get a pro copy of this app, you can do so by going to riffstation.com. That's riffstation.com. Well, have fun playing, and I will see you next week. From the team here at Whirlwind Radio, this is Marcelo Sugdeo saying stay safe in the technology whirlwind.
Crack it.